To find activity reports for Grammar and Spelling Bug, click on the Grammar and Spelling Bug icon on the home page. Then click on Activity Reports. Make sure that your class is selected from the drop-down menu at the top, and you can also choose the time frame that you want to see their activity for. Here you will see all of your pupils listed. I've only allocated one pupil to this class, but you may have many more and they would all be listed here. Here you will see the latest activity that they've completed for Grammar and Spelling Bug, in this case possessive apostrophes. If you want to view the unit, you can click on it to see it. Next, you'll see the National Curriculum objective that this unit covers. This refers to the National Curriculum for England. Under the Activities heading, you can see how the child is doing. So the orange circles indicate an activity that the child has got a couple of questions wrong with, but has broadly done okay. If the child was getting the majority of the questions wrong, these would come up as red. The next few are green, and this means that the child has done really well and they've got all or almost all of the questions correct. The final circle here has the word view in it, and to begin with, this will be white. Let's click on it. So this tells you what the child was asked to do. In this case, they were asked to write 4 sentences explaining where things are in their school using possessive apostrophes, and they had to use both singular and plural ones. You can see the answer that my pupil Katie has given. This is what she has typed. I can then give her a mark for this. I think it's pretty good, so I've given her a green. I can also type in a comment, which will be sent to Katie the next time she logs into the pupil world. You can also choose whether or not to let the pupil see the mark of the red, amber or green. In this case, I'm going to leave it so she can see it. And then click Save. If you want to see how your pupil is doing over time, you can click on their name, and this would bring up a list of all of the different Grammar and Spelling Bug activities they've done within the last 3 months, or whatever time frame you have chosen at the top. This way you can get an idea for the patterns and whether they're consistently doing well or whether there are certain topics that the child is struggling with more than others. To go back to see the whole class, click on the back button at the top left.